other side I can see a walk feeding its little young one. Big brown walk. Feeding it rats, locusts. I managed to get a little bit closer and see what it was. Feeding its young ones, and you could see the rat's tail hanging from its mouth while it was flying. It reminded me of a time when we used to like catching butcher birds. We just call them butcher birds. I don't know what's their real name. We'd catch the baby ones, the little ones, steal them from the mother's nest. And then we knew that the butcher birds eat meat. So we'd catch them, and they were hungry as ever, opening its little white mouth, wide as ever, eating the chunks of the best steaks we could find. But a week or so later, the butcher birds would die, and we'd go get some more. It just didn't click with us that the butcher birds eat regurgitated stuff. Same thing when we used to feed the baby goats on the farm. When the mother would abandon them, or maybe the mother would die, and we'd feed the baby goats. After some time they'd become sick. 3 weeks, 4 weeks, baby goats sick or dead. Rarely did they survive. Didn't click. We were feeding them cow's milk. You can't do cross-species feeding, people. Doesn't work like that in nature. That is why human beings get sick, because we drink another species' milk and we eat food that we're not designed to eat, but we still won't listen. Very, very stubborn. Millions justify that they need to have their protein, their meat. Well, check out the disease statistics lately. Rising.